Oh look, it's a chair. Hello? Oh. Okay. Omegle time! What's going on, guys? Slipper here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today, I'm gonna be going back on Omegle. Yes, Omegle. I had a lot of fun editing the Omegle video, so why not do another one? It was fun, it was cool interacting with people, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into Omegle. Can we transition to the video now, please? Because this is getting really uncomfortable. What's up?
What's up?
You got a talent?
Huh?
Huh?
What?
I said, do you have a talent?
Yes.
What's your talent?
I'm beautiful. Oh. What's your talent?
I'm good at eating pussy. Whoa! Whoa! Hey.
You had to download Google Chrome for this shit to work.
What were you guys using? Internet Explorer?
No. Safari, because I'm an Apple user.
Safari.
I thought you said they're stupid. Yeah. Oh,
No, it was
damn, you vaping over there?
Vape Lord, bro.
Pass it over here.
Oh, got the one.
You look like a douchebag, so I was like, oh.
Wow.
I'm just joking, dude.
Dude, I had an hour and 30-minute conversation with a guy about politics. We talked about guns, abortion, I don't believe that white privilege exists, and stuff like that. We talked about the N-word and how I feel like it's just such a touchy subject.
Mm-hmm.
And then we talked about how I believe that America is the land of opportunity.
How gay are you?
How gay am I?
Yeah.
The gayest I've ever been was, I think, when I slapped my homie's ass.
Really?
Yeah.
Fight! Damn, I do that sometimes.
That's what homies do, though. You know, you gotta grab one right there, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah. That's right, for sure.
If you guess my age, I'll Venmo you 10.
You're 10 years old. Am I right?
13.
Fuck! Ah, fuck.
You know who, what's his name? Sean Does Magic?
Yeah.
You look exactly like him.
Do I really?
Yeah.
I'm just saying, girls aren't funny.
You're not funny. You think you're wearing like a striped t-shirt and a hat and think you're funny?
You think you're so... Ah, see, you laughed! I'm funny. I'm funny.
Black money, let them all say amen. I'm just trying to make it clear where ain't been.
Damn, get your ass up. Do something. Some mukbang up in here. Hello, welcome to my mukbang. Today we're gonna be eating Jack in the Box. Their fries are pretty good. Their fries are good, not gonna lie. But you're pretty stale. Could have been better.
Oh, I love that. It's amazing.
Let's move on to the chicken sandwich. Oops, I already killed it. Sorry. Someone like cooked on my sandwich, so on my lettuce, so I'm not gonna eat that.
Disgusting.
I give Jack in the Box chicken sandwich and 6 out of 10. I give the fries a 2 out of 10. They were just put in the microwave.
Whenever I go to the US,
Huh?
whenever I go to the US, I go there. It's amazing.
Can you play the Jimmy Neutron theme song?
No, I don't know that one.
Okay then.
Hey, roast me, look at me.
Nice haircut, bro. Nah, come on, roast me, bro. Come on, give me your best shot. Let's go.
I don't know, you fucking yellow shirt guest trying to wanna be fucking Rick and Morty fake having a hat, fucking eye bags, hasn't been working all fucking day, got no fucking sleep having ass.
Stay grinding, bro. I stay fucking your mom, so grind never stops.
I take the L.
You can have some. You want some? Oh! Hell no. Alright guys, I think that's gonna wrap up this Omegle video. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see another Omegle video, let me know. And yeah, thank you guys for your viewing. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Just made a mess. Peace out.